Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create AI character in poly.ai. So first simply open poly.ai and then from dashboard click where it say create character. Then click create. Here just provide your character avatar and then enter your character name. After this select the character gender. You can select male, female or non-binary. I'm going to select male and then enter the intro of your character. Then enter how your character is going to greet. After this you can set it to public or private, and if you want you can add tags, and then you can choose the voice of your characters and language and the dialogue style if you want. And after you fill all these details, simply click on create character button. Character will be created. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.